अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं आपका इंस्ट्रक्टर उस्मान खां और आप देख रहे हैं InfoSphere न्यूज। आज से हम बाकायदा आगाज कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर के मुकम्मल फ्री कोर्स का। वेलकम एवरीवन। This course is designed for those who want to work as computer operators in government or private sectors. Today, in our first class, we will learn basic computer concepts and practical MS Office questions. A personal computer is an electronic machine that processes data into useful output. Remember, software is a set of instructions we cannot touch. The smallest unit is a bit, and 8 bits make 1 byte. In MS Word, use Alt plus A and M to merge cells. To insert a page break, use Ctrl plus Enter. The default font size in MS Word is usually 11. For Excel, use Ctrl plus arrow keys to reach the last cell. To sum scattered data, use the comma within the sum formula. VLOOKUP is used for data searching, and pivot tables help in summarizing data. In PowerPoint, use Ctrl plus M for a new slide and Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Press F5 for a slideshow and Alt plus K for transitions. I hope today's class was helpful. Write these shortcuts in your notebook. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. I am Usman Khan. Allah Hafiz.